So, here we go. I'm sure you could guess what these might be in the context of having the car and the wheels in the background. I guess I need scissors, huh? Should have put the headphones in so I could have some like crisp ASMR audio, but it's okay. Whoa, look at that. And it's like, that's metal. That's not plastic. Wow, that's crazy. I hope this audio isn't like toast. I'm super impressed, and it's actually got a special key, which is included right here. And the cool thing is this actually says Oz on it. If it'll focus, I don't know if it'll focus, but you can see it. It says Oz on it. Oz F1. The fact that we have the actual centerpieces is so crazy to me. I haven't been able to find what center cap style, like what code name even fit my wheels. So it's been a total guess of just me like measuring them and then trying to find someone that has them online and hope that theirs are measured. But that isn't really the case, and all the ones I've found have been like either not full sets or they're asking for astronomical money, like price wise, and again, like I don't even know if they fit my car. Check them out. Oh, that's so exciting. So I'm gonna repark the Miata so that we're on flat, even ground. And then I'm gonna film this in the dark. So this should be pretty goofy, honestly. Fucking goofy. I guess I'm gonna bang this out. Whatever I film, we will see what footage comes out of this. Wouldn't expect much. Look at these fat boys. Hell yeah. Yeah, these are fun. These were fun. They're gonna be nice once they're painted. Stay. FedEx. Late delivery, huh?
Yeah. Jake Middleton?
Yeah.
That's you?
That is me.
Alright, perfect. It's all the stuff that didn't make it out today.
Huh. What is it?
I don't know. Vacation?
Oh, let's fly Miata. Cool. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Have a good one. Have a good night. Huh. This was 2-day ship. I forgot what I ordered from Flying Miata, to be honest. This is going to look like kind of like how the car looked in the pictures before I ever owned it. One of the original owners had an old set of Enkeis that looked similar to this. So this is really exciting, honestly. It's always cool. It's like getting a new pair of shoes, you know? It's always cool seeing your car with another like wheel spec setup. These are also way less aggressive, so they give you more clearance left to right. I will say it is very rewarding to see really a set of wheels that you've had for almost a year finally, you know, be able to be even like seen on the car. A lot of people will test fit them and get an idea of what they're going to look like way early on, maybe even before buying them completely from the previous current owner, I guess you could say. I did not do that. I figured they'd fit the Miata really well anyways by the specs, but I also thought even if I didn't want to run them on the Miata, I figured they were cool enough wheels regardless, to where it would be totally worth it. So, alright, I guess the car show is still going on, so I'm going to kind of speed run these last two wheels, and we're going to see if we can get out and make it to the car show. So that'd be sick. I'm loving how this is coming out, by the way. It looks so cool. I'm so hyped. Alright, so this is the other front wheel. So this is actually going to be the one that was repaired. And you should be able to see the writing here somewhere. Actually, we can just look inside. So you can see inside. Actually, you really can't. But if you look down, it's part of the wheel where it's wider. And inside, actually, this wheel, they bent the barrel and the face back into spec. And they're really happy with how it came out, and it's really fucking awesome that they're able to repair it, because I mean, imagine having a rare set of wheels that you can't even run, and you can't even really find a replacement wheel. So yeah, that would have sucked. So shout out to Kwiksilver Wheel Repair. They're up in like Auburn Boulevard, I believe. But they're awesome. I've taken one of the Porsche wheels there, and now the Oz wheel there. So I've done one Porsche Momo racing wheel and one Oz wheel, both vintage / like retro wheels that I could not really get a replacement of. So I'm really happy with the outcome and their job and their skill. I would highly recommend them if you're in the greater Sacramento area and you need a repair on a rare set of wheels or something that's worth repairing. There we go, the whole set's on the car. How exciting. We're gonna cut the footage in the daytime, unless we go to the meet. So, end of night footage.